In the ever-evolving world of wearable technology, two titans clash in a battle for your wrist. On one side, we have the sleek and affordable Xiaomi Band 9, the latest iteration of the popular Mi Band series. On the other, the polished and feature-rich Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, bearing the pedigree of one of the world's leading tech giants. These fitness trackers may be small in size, but they pack a punch when it comes to functionality and style. As we dive into the intricate details of these miniature marvels, we'll uncover how they stack up against each other in terms of design, performance, and value. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking for a reliable workout companion or a tech-savvy individual seeking a smart accessory, this comparison will help you navigate the choices between these two formidable contenders. From dazzling displays to heart-racing sensors, from marathon battery life to ecosystem integration, we'll explore every facet of the Xiaomi Band 9 and Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So strap in and get ready for a wrist-to-wrist showdown that will help you decide which of these cutting-edge fitness trackers deserves a place on your arm. Display and design. The Xiaomi Band 9 features a 1.62-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 192 by 490 pixels. This display offers a 60 Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak brightness of up to 1200 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. The screen is protected by 2.5D curved glass, adding a touch of elegance to its design. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 boasts a slightly smaller 1.6-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 256 by 402 pixels 45. While the resolution is lower than the Xiaomi Band 9, it still provides crisp and clear visuals. Both devices feature a slim and lightweight design, with the Xiaomi Band 9 weighing just 15.8 grams without the strap, while the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 is slightly heavier at 18.5 g. The Galaxy Fit 3 features an aluminium body, giving it a premium feel. Both devices offer water resistance, with the Xiaomi Band 9 rated at 5 ATM and the Galaxy Fit 3 boasting 5 ATM and IP68 ratings. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a crucial factor for fitness trackers, and both devices excel in this area. The Xiaomi Band 9 is equipped with a 233 mAh battery that offers up to 21 days of typical usage. It can be fully charged in approximately 1 hour. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 features a 208 mAh battery that provides up to 13 days of use on a single charge 14. It also supports quick charging, reaching 65% in just 30 minutes. Health and fitness features. Both devices offer a comprehensive suite of health and fitness tracking features. The Xiaomi Band 9 supports over 150 workout modes, while the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 offers tracking for over 100 exercises. Both trackers include heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and blood oxygen saturation (SPO2) monitoring. The Xiaomi Band 9 claims to have improved heart rate accuracy by 16% compared to its predecessor. It also offers more accurate sleep tracking and provides insights into sleep stages and patterns. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 includes features like stress monitoring and fall detection 14. It can also track women's health cycles. Connectivity and compatibility. The Xiaomi Band 9 uses Bluetooth 5.4 for connectivity, while the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 employs Bluetooth 5.34. Both devices are compatible with Android and iOS smartphones, though the minimum required OS versions may differ slightly. The Xiaomi Band 9 requires Android 8.0 or iOS 12.0 and above, while specific compatibility information for the Galaxy Fit 3 was not provided in the search results. Platform and software. The Xiaomi Band 9 runs on Xiaomi's custom operating system, likely a version of their MIUI for wearables. It uses the Mi Fitness app, formerly known as Xiaomi Wear, for syncing data with smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 operates on FreeRTOS, a lightweight operating system designed for embedded devices. It integrates with the Samsung Health app for data synchronization and analysis. Smart features. Both devices offer smart features beyond fitness tracking. The Xiaomi Band 9 and Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 support notifications for calls, messages, and apps. They also offer music controls and camera remote shutter functionality. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 includes additional features like the ability to send quick replies to messages and Find My Phone functionality. Customization. Both devices offer customizable watch faces. The Xiaomi Band 9 supports over 200 watch faces, including always-on display (AOD) options. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 offers 100+ watch faces and allows users to create custom faces using their own photos. Sensors. The Xiaomi Band 9 is equipped with an accelerometer, gyroscope, optical heart rate sensor, and ambient light sensor. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 includes an accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, optical heart rate sensor, and light sensor. Storage and memory. Specific details about storage and memory for these devices were not provided in the search results. However, fitness trackers typically have limited onboard storage primarily used for storing firmware apps and a limited amount of fitness data. Price and value. The Xiaomi Band 9 is priced at 249 renminbi Chinese, approximately $34 for the base model without NFC, and 299 renminbi Chinese, approximately $41 for the NFC variant. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 is priced at €65, approximately $70, while the Xiaomi Band 9 appears to offer better value in terms of price. The Samsung Galaxy Fit may third justify its higher cost with its premium build quality and integration with the Samsung ecosystem. Unique features. The Xiaomi Band 9 offers a unique ceramic special edition priced at 349 renminbi Chinese, approximately $48. 2. It also supports NFC payments in its higher-end model. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 includes fall detection and emergency SOS features, which can be valuable for user safety. Ecosystem integration. The Samsung Galaxy Fit may third have an advantage for users already invested in the Samsung ecosystem, as it likely offers tighter integration with Samsung smartphones and other devices. The Xiaomi Band 9 supports third-party data sharing with platforms like Strava, Google Fit, and Apple Health, enhancing its versatility across different ecosystems. So, which one is better? Both the Xiaomi Band 9 and Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 offer compelling features in the fitness tracker market. The Xiaomi Band 9 stands out with its larger, higher-resolution display, longer battery life, and more affordable price point. It also offers a wider range of workout modes and claims improved accuracy in health tracking. The Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, while slightly more expensive, offers a premium build quality with its aluminium body. It includes unique features like fall detection and emergency SOS, which could be crucial for some users. Its integration with the Samsung ecosystem may also be a deciding factor for Samsung smartphone users. In terms of core fitness tracking features, both devices are quite comparable, offering heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and a wide range of workout modes. The choice between the two may come down to personal preferences in design, ecosystem integration, and specific features like NFC payments or fall detection. Ultimately, both the Xiaomi Band 9 and Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 represent excellent choices in the fitness tracker market, catering to different user needs and preferences. Potential buyers should consider their specific requirements, budget, and ecosystem preferences when choosing between these two capable devices.